It is Thursday, December 8th. All day we've been in business. It's amazing. My cough is still lingering, and I apologize. I will try my best. I have water tonight to not hack and cough too much. I wanted to go back over what is still on sale today for the Happy Holly Days, right? It went on sale at 5 o'clock this morning, 4 items, the first 4, and they are on sale until 5 o'clock a.m. tomorrow morning when the new item comes along. So I just wanted to quickly review. This is the Cocoa Knits Maker's Board, and it comes in this muslin bag, which is great, drawstring bag, and it looks like this, and it opens up like this, and it stands perfectly like that. All of these are magnets that stick to it. So you take your pattern, and one of the magnets, you take your pattern and you can stick it to the pattern, right, and follow along. Coming up is the ruler and the gauge, and those are long bars that can go down and follow your pattern. So pay attention when those come up for sale, okay? So this is the Maker's Board from Cocoa Knits, and it is on sale today for $36.90. You can get it online, all right? Got that? Love it. Everybody loves it. Stands there. You can use it. It's fantastic. Also, our favorite wool wash is on sale. This is Kookaburra. It is made with no peroxide, no alkalis or enzymes. These are plant-based cleaners, and it is has tea tree oil in it, which is a natural moth proofer. So we love Kookaburra, and it is just takes the tiniest little bit and soak your wools in it or your delicates, and you don't even have to rinse it actually, and voila. Today it is on sale for $14.85. Normally $16.50. Okay. And then next, the Chowgoo twist needles. They're on order. I do not have them in stock right now. They come in that little blue envelope, a full set, short needles for doing sleeves. Fantastic. I think it's 4 through 8 maybe. That is on sale for $130.50. That's 10% off. And last but not least is the Cocoa Knits Flight of Stitch Markers, which is fabulous. You get all 5 markers, and they look like this. The metal rings, right? This is the jumbo. Then you get the medium. Let me see, can you see that? The medium, the teeny tiny, the teeny tiny, and then the open hook one, as well as there's a little triangle one, all right? So that is the 4 things that are on sale still this evening until tomorrow morning at 4:59, okay? At 5 o'clock a.m. tomorrow, the Cocoa Knits Maker's Keeper is on sale, and that is this adorable and wonderful slap bracelet, which opens like that, fits on your wrist. You just slap it around, snaps on, right? And all of those wonderful markers just stick because it's a magnet. So if you're a seamstress, you got pins, it's fantastic. So the normal price is $25, and tomorrow, only tomorrow, and there's only one item tomorrow, and that's the Maker's Keeper, is going to be $22.50, 10% off. So that's tomorrow. I'm giving you a heads up. This is what comes on sale tomorrow. Love it. All right? You still have time left to get the Maker's Board, the Chowgoo Shorty Set for sleeves, fabulous, short needles, short cords, and then the Flight of Stitch Markers, and last but not least, the Kookaburra. All right? All our favorite things. This is Happy Holidays. These are the things that we love in the store, okay? So that's coming up. Great news. Just behind me, Lisa put out 10 new colors of Rios. We are back in stock. Happy day. Happy day. So if you've been waiting for Rios, we have it back in. It is $19 a skein and in all those fabulous, fabulous colors. All right. Remember, all this shopping, happy holidays online. We are back up and running. You can shop with us online. You can call us at the store. We will accommodate you. You can. Some people came in and picked out their gifts that they wanted to start with. So lots of choices. Things have been back ordered, so they are coming. By the end of the happy holidays, we will have hopefully everything together and we can ship it to you for the $10 cost, or you can come in and pick it up. All right? Love it. Thank you guys for all your support, and hopefully you're liking the whole deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, you can shop every single day for all 12 items, which you can see on our website, www.bellafilati.com. You can see what they all are. But if you want to skip all that falderall and go right to the heart of the issue, you can get everything, all 12, for $300. I'm sorry, $300. That includes like the Chow Goose set, which is $130.50. So $300, you're getting 12 gifts, more than 30% off. I think it's the way to go. And you will get a full rewards card with $25 the next time you come in, plus 2 squares on a new card, and a $30 bounce back to be used in January. That's $50. That's $55 right there. Free money. Honestly, it's pretty good. All right. Shop with us. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.